Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while I posted content and I promised you guys in the last video I posted on my YouTube that I'll keep you guys updated in my videos, and I'm so sorry I wasn't able to keep you guys posted, but I've not been feeling well for a while and I decided to do this video on my face maintenance day. And if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm just using my body cream and I'll be using my face serum next. It's really been a little hard times for me, but I know by the special grace of God I'll recover soon. You all should pray for your girl. So yeah, I'm making use of my face serum, my vitamin C serum. I usually use this after my body cream, and this cold and kata is seriously getting to me. Like I literally breathe through my mouth. So aside that, guys, you guys should pray for me to heal fast. So here is the Kobe right brow. So I just want to take out the excess, and yeah, I just like comb my eyelashes. I do that all the time. It's something I do regularly. So I have pimples. I don't know why. I hope it clears away quickly. So here's me combing out my brows. I want to like shave out the excess. I'm just doing this gently because it's a new blade and I don't want to cut myself. And here's me just taking out all the excess in my brows. And I love keeping my brows clean and shaped anywhere I want it to be. So here I'm making use of my lip balm, and I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Please keep on praying for your girl. Bye.